Hi, I'm Brad Hickey with Team 33, Project Redfish. I am going to be going through the slides for project description and project design and architecture. Redfish is a REST API that was designed and implemented for iDirect systems to collect server data as it runs in a data warehouse. Uh, the iDirect system outputs certain metrics to let you know how a server is performing. Um, Currently, the only way to get that data out is by uh, polling the REST API with a GET, and then you receive a JSON document of the metrics and the metrics definitions. Future applications or future server implementations will also be able to pull telemetry data in a streaming method so that you're able to continuously capture that data. Um, we're also tasked with implementing a knowledge capture library so that we can capture data modeling clusters and then compare new data against that clusters to create notifications when there's outliers to the clusters and allow them to notify technicians and database administrators so that they're able to make intelligent decisions on how to act on a server and how to improve the functionality. The design and architecture of our plan is going to be based on Docker containers. We're going to build our application into Docker containers because a Docker container contains all of the application needs, such as a Grafana, which we're using, and InfluxDB. So then we don't have to worry about the uh, server space. We can just focus on having the server that or having the application run within the container. We don't have to be concerned with how the server's set up. Um, these containers are going to be separated by uh, the API polling methods and streaming methods in the analysis engine container. And then RF Analytics, which will run as a separate container, will do the data modeling and the clustering. And then our original container of analysis engine will check our data against the knowledge capture library that's saved and use that to notify people that have notifications set up within the system. So the administrators and the technicians will set those notifications up for themselves so that they can be properly notified if there is an issue. The individual containers will be set up using handlebars to build the web pages in Node.js. So it'll spin up an application and then you'll be able to interact with the rest of it through this. RF Collector is currently a command line interface only, and we're going to have to re-implement that into the user interface so that it's easier functionality. Thank you.